Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will show you how you can remove uh, basically how to dehaze a photo. So to remove haze you need to stretch the histogram by increasing contrast and recovering detail in the midtones. So how we can do that? Now basically first you need to select photo and then go to editing here at the top. Now select selective clarity. Increase the sliders for highlights, midtones, and shadows independently. So we have here shadows, midtone highlights. So we can adjust here some stuff over here, shadows. We can go like that. We can play with that here. Doesn't just like that. Now we can increase the black point slider to deepen the faded blacks caused by haze. So we have this black point right here under the basic. So we can, as you can see, we can darken these black points. And then what we can do is slightly increase the contrast right over here like that to make the image pop. Then follow the standard clarity and texture sliders in the basic adjustment. So right under the black points, we can play with that if we need to. I will slightly increase it, not too much, but just for the feeling like that. And yeah, if the haze is mostly in the sky or in the distance, you can use this select sky mask. So how we can do that? Subject here at the top, I will now select the background that I don't destroy the subject. Now that I selected the background, what I can do is again here 3 dots, add, and then select sky, or you can image layer and then you will plus icon here and select sky. Now I have the background, but it doesn't matter. So right here now I can adjust the same thing which we did before, just to play with this haze a little bit, midtones, and we can slide these sliders left to right that we see what will happen with the image and where we want basically to get our image. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Now if you want quicker version of this, you can use ML Enhance magic wand icon. So at the top right here, this one here. So if you click it, it will do her own thing. And from there, you can now start adjusting if you want or if you need to. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.